Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Satun from Sebus Merit University, Indonesia. I will present about Kitab Fit, study of ethnomedicine by Foster and Anderson. In 2020, tourist countries around the world are affected by an outbreak and a disease called COVID-19. This disease began in Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. A total of 191 countries were infected with this disease. The diseases have been written and discussed in a manuscript. Kitab Tip is one of the collection of Leiden University which discuss the type of diseases and methods of treatment according to Islamic teachings. This research aims to explain the types of diseases and methods of treatment according to Islamic teachings. Literature review 1. An article by Henita Astuti, Ashari Rangga, Purwoto, Agus Subowo, and Jack B. Hendra entitled Identifikasi pelaku etnomedicine dan informasi jenis tanaman obat yang digunakan dan tumbuh di Provinsi Lampung. Kajian pengembangan taman herbal di Provinsi Lampung tahun 2017. The results of the study are 1. Describing the profile of personal identity and supporting data for ethnomedicine actors who use medicinal plants that grow in Lampung. 2. Informing the type of medicinal plants used by ethnomedicine actor and growing in Lampung province. 3. Provides information on the efficacy and benefits of medicinal plants growing in Lampung based on a literature review. 2. An article written by Rona Almos and Pramono entitled Lexicon Ethnomedicine dan dalam pengobatan tradisional Minangkabau. The Minangkabau traditional medicine lexicon is grouped into 3 groups, namely types of disease, type of ingredients, and treatment processes. Examples of lexicon found in the group of type of disease are Wiriang, Inggam, and Sijundai. In the group of types of herbs, the lexicon found includes lime, injuang, chicken, water, and stone. Meanwhile, in the treatment process group, there were Manilau and powder lexicon. 3. Article written by Dana Susena, Pramono, and Heri Nur Hidayat entitled Pengobatan Tradisional dalam Naskah-Naskah Minangkabau, Inventarisasi Naskah, Teks, dan Analisis Ethnomedicine. The results of this study indicate that through the text of traditional medicine, there is information about traditional Minangkabau medicine related to medicinal ingredients and traditional medicine methods. In addition, it is also found about the concept of illness and its healing efforts in the cosmology of the Minangkabau community. Types of research is qualitative research. The object of this research is Kitab Tip OR 1714 manuscript, while the formal object is ethnomedicine Foster and Anderson. Kitab Tip manuscript accessed on 19 September 2020. In the ethnomedicine perspective, the cause of a person being sick can be caused by personality factor or spirits, and naturalistic factor or physical. Illness caused by personality factors will be treated differently from those caused by naturalistic factor. If the former is treated with supernatural powers like mantras, prayers, or a combination of spell and potion, then the second treatment will use concoctions of plant or herbal medicine and animal medicine ingredients or combination of both. Personality or spirit prayers. 1. Rihul Ahmad. Ya Rasulullah, inilah doa sahabat anak roh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kepada Tuhan hamba. Kitab Tip, page 3. 2. Prayers for people who are tired and old. Pasal ini doa orang letih lesu 2 badan. Maka dibaca Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin hingga habis, dan Qul huwallahu ahad hingga habis sekali, dan Qul a'udzu birabbin nas 3, dan kali kemudian itu doa baca ini. Waruna jamalahu saroro baduduya habutilal iblis. 3 kali membaca di tatkala hendak tidur mujarab. Kitab Tip, page 7. Combination of spell and potion. 1. How to treat all disease in the body. Barang siapa membaca ayat kursi 70 kali dan Fatihah pun 70 kali, dan Qul huwallahu ahad 70 kali, dan Qul a'udzu birabbin nas 70 kali, maka dibacanya sekalian itu pada air hujan kepada hari Jumat atau malam Jumat. Maka minum 7 hari tiap-tiap pagi suatu cawan. Maka disapunya akan segala anggota tubuh air itu. Maka sabda Rasulullah SAW, barang siapa minum air ini, segala penyakitnya sembuh olehnya, melainkan maut, dan segala penyakit di dalam tubuh, dan sakit tulang dan urat, dan sakit kulit, dan sakit paru, dan sakit tubuh disembuhkan oleh Allah Ta'ala dengan berkat Nabi dan segala aulia. Kitab page 5 until 6. 2. How to treat all diseases. Pasal ini obat segala penyakit. Maka ada suatu hari Mama Imam Syafi'i radhiyallahu anhu bertemu dengan Rasulullah SAW. Maka katanya, ya Rasulullah, ajarkan hamba suatu obat supaya sembuh penyakit hamba ini. Maka sabda Rasulullah SAW, surat olehmu 6 ayat daripada ayat Quran daripada pada bagian, maka basuh minum airnya, niscaya disembuhkan Allah anggotamu daripada sakit itu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 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 Ardi wassamai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 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 Yatma'u ismu syai'un fil ardi wala fis samai wa huwa samiul alim. Wa yansurukum alaikum wa yasir sudur qaumum mu'minin. Ya ayuhan nas, qad ja'akum mau'izatan min rabbikum wa sya'al ma fi sudur wa yahriju min butuniha saraba mutalafa. Mutalafa wa naufi syafa'a lana syai'. Wa nazzala minal Qur'an ma huwa syafa'a rahmatuhu lil mu'minina wa ismaratu fa wa yasbinakum walil ladzi amanu hadi wa syifa. Allahumma ashfu wa anta syafi, Allahumma aqwa wa anta kafi, Allahumma al-afwa wa anta lafi birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Kitab page 6. 3. How to treat if exposed to poison. Pasal ini kata Luqmanul Hakim, apabila seorang kita bencana atau termakan racun, maka surat pada tangan kanan, maka jilat dengan lidah 7 kali, surat hilangkan Allah Ta'ala daripada segala bala orang, hambatan atau penyakit tatkala menyurat dia dengan air sembahyang dan kain yang suci inilah dengan Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa may yakhruju min baiti muhajirullahu wa rasuluhu lam yatrakahu mau faqad ajrahu ala Allahu wa kana Allahu ghafurur rahim. Kitab page 7. For how to treat all diseases. Some want to be cured with other drugs. Pasal ini obat segala penyakit. Barang penyakit yang tidak mau sembuh dengan obat yang lain, maka surat doa ini pada cangkuk putih, maka anjurkan maka minum berturut-turut ini yang disurat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zalika tahfifi min rabbikum wa rahmatuhu. Dan kedua harinya Ar-Rahman. Zalika tahfifi min rabbikum wa rahmatuhu wa khalaqal insana dha'ifa. Dan ketiga harinya Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Al-an khafafallahu ankum. Kitab page 7. 5. How to cure all diseases. Pasal ini obat menyatakan kata hakim, khasiat obat ini akan menghilangkan segala penyakit. Maka dibacakan pada air minum atau mandikan, insya Allah Ta'ala disembuhkan Allah Ta'ala segala penyakit, atau dibaca pada sehari-hari serta diniatkan dengan ikhlas pada Allah. Karena firman-Nya di dalam Al-Quran, Ad-Uni asbajalkan. Dan hadis Rasulnya, Usmin Al-Quran, kaifa sya'ata bima sya'ata. Inilah ayatnya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lau anzalna hadzal Qur'an ala jibalin lira'aita khashi'an mutasaddi'an min khasyiatillah. Wa tilkal ansalu nadribuha linasi la Allahum yatafakkarun. Wallahu la ilaha illa huwa alimul ghaibi wasyahadati wa rahmanur rahim. Wallahu la ilaha illa huwa al-malikul qudus as-salam al-mu'min al-muhaimin al-aziz al-jabbaru al-mutakabbir. Subhanallahu wa ma yusyrikun. Wallahu khaliqul bari'u al-musawwiru lahul asmaul husna. Yusabbihu lahu ma fis samawati wal ard wa huwal azizul hakim. Bi rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Based on the description above, it can be concluded that Kitab is one of the manuscripts from the Leiden University collection. We discuss the type of diseases and methods of treatment according to Islamic teaching. The manuscript was reviewed by the ethnomedicine Foster and Anderson. In ethnomedicine, there are 2 factors that cause people to get sick, namely personality factor and naturalistic factor. There are 3 ways to treat based on personal factor, namely mantra, prayers, and combination of spell and potion. Well, on the naturalistic factor, the method of treatment is in the form of concoction from plant ingredient or herbal medicine, animal medicine, and a combination of both.